Hi guys, today's topic is all about Revit Basic User Interface Screen. Architect Komal here. After opening Revit file, we get the first page. This is called as Revit Interface Screen. It contains projects and families from which we can open a existing file or a new file, or also we can open different template based on the type of function work we can open the file. Also it shows the preview of the recently used projects and families from which you can open. For example, now I am going to open architecture template. And then we get this screen known as Revit user interface screen. It contains different categories, subcategories and tools and dialog boxes. So these are the different terminologies used for them. Let's see one by one. On the top bar at left side we have quick access toolbar, in the center title bar, and at the right side we have info center. Below the top bar we have different tabs. In tabs there are different panels. In panels again we have different tools. Below the panel display we have option bar. These all called as ribbon. On the left side we have properties palette. In that there is a type selector. At left side we have project browser. Above that there is a display of navigation bar, and at the center area is full of drawing area. Below the drawing area at left side we have view control bar, and at the right side we have status bar. These are the different tabs and their descriptions. By clicking the right side option of the Modify tab, you get various options for changing the view state of the ribbon, such as minimize to tabs, minimize to panel titles, and minimize to panel button. This is properties palette from which we can change the properties of elements used in Revit. This is selecting an option from the type selector drop down list in properties palette. This is project browser from which we can open different works done in the project, such as different floor plans, ceiling level plans, elevations, legends, schedules and quantities, sheets, families and groups used in the project. By clicking right click on the empty space of the drawing area of user interface screen, we get this shortcut menu. This is about user interface setting. In view tab we have a Windows panel at the right side. In that user interface tool from which we can check and uncheck the display of different things such as navigation bar, project browser, system browser, properties, status bar. Also on clicking the keyboard shortcuts, it allows you to display the shortcuts used in the Revit. By clicking on left side Revit icon button, we get this application menu from which we can open new file, open the existing file, or save as, export the file. Also we have options, and also from which we can exit and close the file. Thank you for watching. If you like it, then please like, share and subscribe.